Welcome back to RV Heaven, your home for smart travel planning, luxury on a budget adventures, and the best RV hacks to make the road feel like home. Today's video is special. Because if you've been dreaming of sneaking away for a warm, quiet, affordable winter escape, then this is your sign. And yes, we're doing this Black Friday style. A cheap long-stay destinations, la realistic budgeting, insider savings, and a story to guide your planning. Plus a free pinned Winter Escape itinerary PDF you can download. So buckle in. Let's plan your warmest, smartest winter getaway yet, without melting your wallet. Let me take you back to last December. We were packed, stressed, and freezing. The kind of cold that makes you question your life choices. Overnight lows dropping into the single digits. Furnace running non-stop. Propane emptying faster than coffee on a Monday morning. But worst of all, we had no plan. We were winging it. Which in winter RV life is a guaranteed recipe for overspending, shivering, and regretting you ever bought a rig. Then it happened. A couple parked next to us, retired, calm, warm as toast, sipping coffee outside their RV at 7 a.m. How? I asked, and the husband just laughed. We planned ahead, went south in November, booked the whole winter using Black Friday deals. That night, I created the very itinerary you're getting. Today, the itinerary that saved our winter, our budget, and honestly, our sanity. And now I'm passing it on to you. Let's start with the heart of your winter escape. Where should you go? We filtered these based on cost, long stay monthly discounts, it weather, warm, low humidity, RV friendly, in safety, the availability during winter, Black Friday campground deals. Here are the top budget locations that RVers love. 1. Yuma, Arizona, the winter capital of RV life. If you're looking for warm, cheap, and RV friendly, Yuma is the undefeated champion. Winter Tom, 27 to 30 tanto, 80 to 100 off. Monthly RV rates on Black Friday, $350, $500. Snowbird population, massive, 85,000 plus. This is the place where retirees grill steaks at noon and wear shorts in January. Why it's great. Endless BLM land. RV resorts with pools, plus activities. Safe, social, and sunny. Best time to book. Black Friday weekend through Cyber Monday. In 2, Quartzsite, Arizona. The budget traveler's paradise. Quartzsite isn't a town. It's an event. A desert phenomenon. Every winter, thousands of RVers roll in for ultra-cheap living. LTVA permits $180 for the entire winter. Free dispersed camping. Huge RV swap meets. Get cheap repairs. Solar friendly. The quiet and beautiful. Perfect for off-grid RVers who like elbow room and starry nights. Get this, Rio Grande Valley, Texas. Warmth without the price tag. South Texas is one of the most underrated winter escapes. It feels tropical without Florida prices. Monthly RV stays in November, January. $250 or $400. Activities include bird watching, siesta, Mexican border food trips, beach drives, fishing, golf. Locations like Mission, McAllen, Harlingen, and Brownsville offer winter warmth at half the cost of anywhere else in the South. 4. Gulf Shores, Alabama. Warm beaches on a budget. Imagine walking a white sand beach in January, while your friends are scraping ice off windshields back home. Gulf Shores offers moderate winter temps, cheap seafood, great state parks. Long stay RV monthly rates on Black Friday for $450 minus $700. Plus, the sunsets here, unreal. A 5. Southern California, Imperial Valley. Throw luxury heat without the luxury price. Yes, parts of SoCal can be pricey, but not all of it. Head toward El Centro, Salton Sea, Borrego Springs. You'll find reasonable long stay rates, free dispersed spots, hot springs, palm tree sunsets, perfect for RVers who want warmth without chaos. 6. Lake Havasu, AZ, affordable desert water living. Lake Havasu is where desert heat meets lakeside beauty. It's popular, but RV parks run fantastic Black Friday specials. Expect long stay rates around $475, $650, especially December, February. Great for boaters, kayakers, social RVers, mild winter sunshine. When we realized we were spending almost $1,400 per month just staying cold, we knew we had to change something. We sat down at the dinette, opened 3 tabs, Yuma, Gulf Shores, and RGV. Then we compared. Hidratente fuel cost, food cost, ammo, RV park rates, activities, net propane usage, drive time. And suddenly, it clicked. You don't choose your winter destination by desire. You choose it by math. So let's break down yours. Here's the biggest misconception in winter RV planning. Going south is expensive. Wrong. Staying north is expensive. Here's how winter costs break down with realistic numbers. Fun fuel budget. Estimate using this formula. Total trip miles, RV MPG x fuel price. Fuel budget. Example, 1,200 miles, 9. MPG x 3.070. 493. Always add 20% buffer for detours, 10% for local exploration. Total recommended fuel budget, $550, $650. Due, campground budget. Long stay, massive savings. Most RV parks give 40-60% off if you book monthly during Black Friday. Example savings. Nightly rate, $42. Monthly rate, $420. So savings, $840 per month. Best hack. Book November plus December together for extra discounts. 3 food budget. Winter RV escapes are usually cheaper because no holiday hosting. More outdoor grilling. Less restaurant temptation. Lower grocery prices in southern states. Average monthly RV food budget. $355 and $50 for 2 adults. 4 propane plus heating budget. Cold climate propane bill. $150,300 per month. Warm climate propane bill. $20,060 per month. This alone can pay for your entire trip. Yes, as 5 activities plus fun budget. Warm weather activities are mostly free. Beaches. Desert hikes. Fishing. Photography. Futtest community events. Recommended fun budget, $50-150 per month. Now that we've covered the story, the destinations, and the numbers, here is your complete checklist to plan your winter escape smoothly. Pre-trip checklist. 1. Book your long stay site. Black Friday. Search for monthly deals starting the Friday after Thanksgiving. 2. Service your RV. Oil change. Tire inspection. Slide lube, a battery load test. Furnace check, a dump valve inspection. 3. Downsize and repack. You don't need winter boots in Yuma. 4. Map your fuel stops. Prioritize cheaper stations in Texas and Arizona. 5. Check your insurance plus roadside plan. Winter roads, higher risk until you reach warm zones. These on-the-road checklist. 1. Watch overnight temps. Avoid freezing the first night. 2. Use travel days wisely. Stop every 2-3 hours. RVs aren't meant to be rushed. 3. Run your smart charging system. Charge laptops, batteries, cameras while driving. The arrival checklist. 1. Level plus stabilize. Warm weather ground is softer. 2. Connect electricity, then water. Never reverse that order. 3. Test all systems. Water heater, fridge, AC, furnace, just in case. 4. Walk the park. Note emergency exits, late night security, laundry rooms. 5. Start your warm routine. Sunrise coffee. The porch mat outside. Camp chairs. Social meetups. We arrived in Yuma just after sunset. It was warm. Warmer than we'd felt in months. We stepped outside, tired but relieved. No snow. No ice. No propane panic. No freezing hoses. Just a soft breeze, palm trees glowing under campground lights, and the sound of RV neighbors laughing over something small and simple. That night, sitting under a sky full of quiet stars, we realized something. Winter isn't meant to be survived. It's meant to be lived. And your warm winter escape? It's closer and cheaper than you think. If you want the complete checklists, budgeting templates, campground list, and sample routes, I built a full free winter RV escape itinerary PDF, and it's pinned in the top comment. Tap it, download it, print it, and plan your warmest winter yet. If this video helped, hit like, subscribe to RV Heaven, and tell me in the comments, where are you heading this winter? And as always, I'll see you on the warm side of the road.